Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon. I'm a PhD student at the University of Eindhoven, and my 2-minute pitch is going to be about SOROTOKI, an open source soft robotics toolkit for MATLAB. So what is SOROTOKI? SOROTOKI stands for Soft Robotics Toolkit, and it's a general programming environment for the design, modeling, and control of soft robots. And we do this using 6 different MATLAB classes that each have a particular function, and then we'll talk about this in my very brief pitch talk. So what can SOROTOKI do specifically? So SOROTOKI can be used, for instance, for implicit modeling to generate geometries for soft robots. And we do this using sign distance functions. So you can either add, subtract, or intersect these functions to generate complex geometries. And from these geometries, you can either do meshing or you can generate STL files. And then these STL files can be imported into our graphical rendering to render materials or various textures. And we can even perform particular mesh transformations to deform these 3D meshes. SOROTOKI also comes with a nonlinear finite element solver that can deal with Neo-Hookean materials, Moonies, and Yode materials. We can model quasi-statically or dynamically, and we can even include environmental contact. What we can also do is something that's called optimization-driven design, where you use nonlinear topology optimization to generate a particular topology for a soft robot. And this is a gradient-based scheme, and we use sign distance functions to essentially smooth out these topologies. What we can do then as well is that we can use FEM to essentially extract particular dynamic modes in our soft robots, and from these dynamic modes, we can develop very fast dynamic models that we can simulate in real time. And with these models, we can develop model-based controllers. Then lastly, we can use these model-based controllers and we can implement them on a real-time platform where we can try these model-based controllers in real time, and we can also do some system identification and generally to check if these model-based controllers function the way they should do in real life. So SOROTOKI is still in alpha, but we try to update the software bi-monthly. So be sure to check out the source code and the documentation at the GitHub repository, and please check our poster for more information. Thank you for your time.